Alright guys, I welcome you back once again to the JessicaOS IT services. So in this lesson we are going to learn how to create a Google account. So please, if this is your first time watching this video on this one and only educative channel on YouTube, then kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button for all, like this video, comment on this channel. Make sure you share this video with your friends and family members. Alright, we'll be going through the steps you need to follow so that you can create a beautiful Google account. So please make sure that you watch this video from the beginning till it ends. Don't skip any part, because if you skip any part you miss some important steps. Alright, so let's quickly look at what a Google account is. Alright, so a Google account is a user account provided by Google that grants access to various Google services such as Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube, Google Map, and many more. It also allows users to utilize Google's products and services with a single login and provides access to personalized settings and preferences across this platform. Alright, so let's quickly look at the importance of having Google account. Importance or reasons why you should have a Google account. So the first one is it helps to access Google services. So with the help of Google account, you can access wide range of Google services like Gmail, Google Drive, Google Calendar, Google Photos, and many more, which helps you to stay organized and productive. So the second importance of having a Google account is seamless synchronization. Your Google account enables seamless synchronization of data across devices, ensuring that your emails, contacts, and files are accessible from any device with internet connection or internet access. Now, the third importance of Google account is personalization. Having a Google account allows you to personalize your experience on various Google platforms. You can customize settings, preferences, and even receive personalized recommendations based on your usage. Good. So the fourth importance of Google account is online collaboration. Google account also provides access to collaborative tools like Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, enabling you to work together with others in real time on documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. So the final importance or the fifth importance of Google account is app integration. Many third-party apps and services offer Google account integration for easy sign-in and data backup, making it convenient to use multiple apps with single Google account. Let's quickly dive into the main lesson. So let's go to Google Play Store. Search for the Google Play Store application. This is the Google Play Store app. Let's launch it and search for Gmail. Let's search for Gmail app, because that is the app we are going to use to create the Gmail or the Google account. So click on open. That is if you already have it on your phone. But if you don't have it on your phone, you need to install it. You need to download it before you can use it to create the Google account. So click on open. When we click on open, a menu will pop up. Alright, so this is the menu that will pop up. Let's click on this icon at the top there. Good. So these are samples of Google accounts. So let's go to add another account. Click on add another account. When you click on add another account, a menu will pop up like this. So you select Google because we want to create a Google account. Click on Google and let's see what will pop up again. So when you click on the Google, this is what will appear. So you have to verify that it is you. Maybe some people can use your phone, somebody can use your phone to open Google account, so you have to verify with your fingerprint or pattern. Alright, so let's wait for this one and see what will pop up next. Alright, so this is the next interface. So you click on create account. If you already have the Google account, you enter your email or phone number here to log in. So let's click on create account. So if you are creating the account for yourself, you select for myself. If you are creating for your business, you select to manage my business. So let's click on the first one for myself. So the next thing that you need to do is to enter your first name. So let's say my first name is Enyo, then the last name is Joe. So you do that and click on next. So when you are doing it, make sure you enter your real name or the name that you like. So we have some basic information here, your date of birth and your gender. So let's select the month in which we were born. So March, then the day, the exact day on which you were born, 12, then the year, so 1948. Good. Now let's select the gender. We don't know whether you are a male or a female, so let's select the gender, female. Now let's come to this one here, click on next. When you click on next, another menu will pop up like this. So the system will automatically generate Google accounts for you, the Gmail accounts for you. So you select one of this, or you create your own Gmail address. So let me select this one, first one. When you select it, you click on next. When you click on the next, another menu like this will pop up for you to create a strong password. And make sure that you mix it with letters, numbers, and symbols. So let me create my password here quickly. So that is my password. After creating the password, you click on next. Please make sure that you enter a password that you can always remember. Okay, so add phone number to your account. So we have to add our phone number to the Google account here. So let me quickly add my phone number and let's continue. When you enter your phone number, you have to click on next. Click on next. And let's wait for the next menu to pop up. So review your account information. You can use this information when you need to sign in. So whenever you are going to log into your account, you use this email address and your password or your telephone number. So click on next. Make sure that the number here is correct and the email here, you can keep it in mind. Let's go. So when you click on the next again, another menu is going to pop up. So this is the privacy and terms of using the Google account. So you have to devote your time, go through all the processes here. Make sure you read everything here. When you are done with them, you click on I agree. Click on I agree. Please wait. Doing all this, you need to have a strong internet connection. Make sure you have a strong internet connection before you begin this process. So this is the next thing that you see. This is the next thing that you see. So the account is now loading. Alright, so let's quickly come to the top here again to check whether our email address or our Google account is ready. So when you click on it, scroll to this section. So please, have you seen it? Now our Google account is up and running. So if you want more video from us, check the description of this particular video and you get more important videos on this channel. If you like this video, if you really learned something from this video, then kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button as you wait for more important videos like this. Thank you very much. Let's meet in the next lesson. Bye bye.